Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Valentine's Day, and guess what that means? We finna do some makeup. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you're not new here and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, then do that. Definitely, I will leave those either right here or right here, one of the two. But yeah, so yeah, after you subscribe and follow me on my Snapchats and my Snapchats, follow me on my social medias. I guess we're gonna be ready to get right into the video. Okay, do that. So like I said, today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all my people that watch me. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some makeup. It's like 8 a.m. It's like 8:30 actually, and I have so much to do today. My nails, they look a mess. Okay, they look like somebody's daddy, like my daddy. Okay, so I gotta go get my nails done. I need to get these feet done because they looking like chicken feet. I have a doctor's appointment today. I have to pick up my last minute items to complete the gift that I'm getting for my boyfriend today. I have a lot to do, so we need to get this show on the road. I'm going to do my video. I'm going to do my brows like off camera because my brows take forever to do. But I will tell y'all what I'm using, which is the same thing that I always use: the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the color Ebony, and the Salon Perfect Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown. Okay, so my brows are done, and I also went in and added concealer to my eyelids. Instead of eyeshadow primer, I just kind of want to switch it up today. I'm going to use these two palettes here. And this one is the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. Let me open it up for you just in case the glare is getting to it. This is the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. And then I'm going to use the Reloaded Neutrals 3 palette. And these palettes are only $7 at Ulta, so they're really, really affordable. Just don't pay that any mind. So yeah, we're gonna use these two palettes. First, I'm gonna go into the Reloaded Neutrals 3 palette and use this brown shade here, which is the number 9. And actually, I'm gonna go into this shade here, and this is the number 7. And I want to take a fluffy white hair brush and blend that into my crease. So now we're gonna take the number 9 shade and blend that out into the crease. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the neutrals, the other palette, the Neutrals 2, and we're gonna go into this shade, which is the number. Well, actually, these shades don't even. This one doesn't even have numbers on the back, so it's gonna be this brown shade on the bottom. All right, so this shade down here on the bottom, I blended that out on top of the first shade that I blended in my crease. So I just basically blended it out over the top, and then I blended those two together within each other. So I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. We're gonna use 2 shades for our, we might use 3 shades on our crease. So I'm going to go into this shade here, right here, and this is the Neutrals 3 palette, and this is the number 12. And then I'm going to take a flat brush and blend it out on my lid closest to my crease. Okay, so I blended that out on my lid, and then next I'm going to go into this shade at the top, which is the number 3, I think. Yeah, it's the number 3, and then I'm going to blend that out from basically the middle of this shade over to right here. Overlapping it with the first shimmer shade I used. Then I'm gonna flip the brush over and go back in with the first shimmer shade I used, and basically like put that. So I'm taking this shade, which is the number 9. But this can't be 9 because if that's 13. Oh, it's the number 8. Taking that shade right here, and I'm just gonna blend it right above, right there. Oh, y'all, this eye look is just giving me too much. It's just giving me too much. I'm gonna blend it out right there. Yes, and then I'm just gonna blend that out some more. All right, so while I'm letting my, I'm gonna say lace glue. While I'm letting my lash glue dry, I'm just going to, I already primed my skin, and I'm just going to color correct where my dark marks are. Ugh. And this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. Y'all already know you gotta get some dark marks, boo boo. You got to basically just do this to balance out. Jackie Anna says we're not saying cancel out anymore, so balance out the darker tones to make your face even for your foundation. Well, not to make your face even for your foundation, because your foundation is gonna make your face even, but to make your face to even out the darker area, so that when you put your foundation on, your whole face can be like, you know, like one color, girl. Yeah, I'm extra. So basically just apply that where I have dark marks or darker areas on my skin, and then I'm going to like buff it out with a beauty blend, with a beauty sponge. Alright, so I got my lashes on. These lashes are from my lash collection, so stay tuned. These are 3D mink lashes, so stay tuned for the launch, you guys. Alright, now it's time for foundation. And when I first bought this foundation, I had fallen in love with it, but recently, like, I've just been like 10 times more in love with it than usual. I don't know what's up with it, but it's a Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Chai. And before I do that, I'm going to set my smile lines with some Maybelline Fit Me powder, because, you know, your girl be blushing and stuff. And those laugh lines, they just get out of hand. And you guys, I really wanted this eye look to look more red than pink, but it's looking like a lot more pink than red, so that sucks for me, but I just have to tweak my outfit a little bit. So now I'm going to apply my foundation, and blend this out. I'm going to apply 3 concealers under my eye. I'm going to use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and then I'm going to use the Tarte Concealer, the Shape Tape, and then I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Butterscotch. And I'm just going to apply these like one by one, and then like blend them out to cater to my under eye, because you know today's Valentine's Day, so our makeup got to be flawless, babe. Like, we can't have no imperfections showing. We got to be on it, okay? So I have all the concealers blended all the way out. I applied 3 concealers because I want some maximum coverage. Because, like I said, today's Valentine's Day, so we want to be snatched, okay? So now I'm just going to go on my setting powder. And I'm going to use the Mercier, of course. So yeah, I'm going to use the Mercier setting powder to set my highlighted areas. And then I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way powder to highlight my contour. And I'm not really filming every part of what I do because I'm recording on my phone. And for some odd reason, my storage is like tripping real bad today. So it keeps like keeps kicking me off and like ending my videos, saying that I don't have enough storage. So that's my issue, on top of having too much powder on my face. Alright, so I'm finished with my makeup, you guys. I just went off camera to do my face and to finish my eye detailing and everything. So this is the finished look. But I'm going to come back and give you guys an outro once I do my hair, because right now I'm looking a mess. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I just have on this cute little top that says girl. Because like I said, I wanted this look to be a little bit more red, but it turned out to be in a little bit more pink, which is fine. It's okay. I'm wearing this lipstick from McGrath. This is the Omi lipstick. And I'm wearing the BFF4 lip liner by ColourPop and the Cabaret lip liner by NYX. And I'm really loving this look, you guys. Like, this lipstick is a satin lipstick. And it is perfect for women of color. Okay? And, oh, this eyeshadow look. These lashes are from my lash collection, and I will be letting you guys know more information on that. But she will not be dropping for a little while longer. So, sorry, but just stay tuned for the different lash styles. And yeah, I'm just really excited about this look because it's gorgeous. I keep hitting my knee. It's gorgeous, and yeah. So, all the deets will be in the makeup section box. The description box below. I got to let y'all get a close-up on this eyeshadow because, like, oh my goodness, look at that. She is a beaut. But yeah, so I have to go. It is 11 o'clock and your girl's pedicure appointment was at 11 o'clock, so I really need to be going. My hair actually did not turn out as good as I wanted it to. It just looks kind of basic and bland. But, I mean, if I have time later, I'll fix it before dinner or before whatever my boyfriend's doing because I really don't know what he's doing. So, I think it's mainly the front. I needed to frame my face a little bit more, but your girl had to get this outro done, okay, because I got to get to my pedicure appointment. I got to get there because my feet look a mess. So, I'm about to, like, put on some pants because I still have on no pants. And I'm about to get ready and go to my pedicure appointment. I just thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And, oh, my goodness, I couldn't stop looking at this gorgeous eyeshadow. And these lashes are everything. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And, yeah, make sure you follow my social medias. I'll post them again on either side of the screen. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.